Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Figuarts Zero Monkey D Luffy Gear 5. And yeah, this guy has a presence. He's pretty huge of a figure. There's no other way to put it. This guy might be the biggest figure in my collection, and yeah, he's real fun figure in my opinion. Like, for the price that you pay, this guy is pretty damn cheap. Like, I think he was like 120 euros. 120, yeah, I think it was, yeah. Really cheap for what you get. Like, this guy is super awesome in my opinion. Especially if you have like the space, I would totally go for this guy. And I think he really captures that Gear 5 energy. Like what Gear 5 is all about. I think this guy is the perfect example of that. You can see how cartoonish he looks. He looks like a real cartoon character. There's no doubt about it. But yeah, just look at this guy. And here you have a better look at him from behind. I was actually surprised how good the straw hat looked. I mean, if you look at that, the detailing on the straw hat is like super good in my opinion. Yeah. Even the stitches over there. Yeah. And the base is super nice as well. Of course, it's the clouds from the scene when he attacks Kaido in this giant form. Yeah, of course, for the price tag, the painting is not that great. I've seen some paint mistakes here. I don't know what to call them, mistakes or something. You can see one over here. Some kind of a paint has spilled over there. But yeah, it makes sense for the price tag. Of course, it's not gonna be as premium as something like the Mega House figures. But at the same time, this figure is something special in my opinion. Like when you look at him, it really captures that Gear 5 energy. Let's take a look at the details a little bit more here. Yeah, that face is just perfect. That's a really perfect face. And then his cloud thingy, of course, here. This comes off pretty easily, actually. Oh, yeah, it's... you sort of have to assemble this thing when it first arrives out of the package. Some of these lightning bolts come off as well and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a huge figure. If you have the shelf space and you love Gear 5, yeah, I think this is a perfect figure pretty much to get in that point. Because it has such a presence. Yeah. And from different angles as well. Yeah. This is a real standout figure in my opinion. I don't have that many Figuarts zeros or normal Figuarts in my collection. This is pretty much the only one. I have looked at some of the other ones that they have done for One Piece and they looked pretty decent, yeah, for sure. I might look at them more in the future for sure after this one. Because this was such a pleasant surprise, really pleasant in my opinion. And for the price tag, yeah, I really recommend this figure. Yeah, I don't think there's anything more to say about it really. It's really simplistic. There's no shading at all in this figure, which is totally understandable. And I don't really expect that much shading from a Gear 5 figure because Luffy's whole outfit is just white in Gear 5, so I think the Mega House Portrait of Pirates figure sort of went a little bit overboard with the shading. Of course, shading is always welcomed in my opinion. But yeah, I really like this one because it doesn't have any shading. It's just sort of all white, and it works like that. It works very well in my opinion. There you go. There you have it. Monkey D. Luffy Gear 5 Figuarts 0. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, see ya.